Welcome to the future of imagination. Welcome to Montana Syfy. Are you ready to unlock the next frontier of creativity? At Montana Syfy, we're pioneering the convergence of science fiction, 3D printing, and robotics to bring your wildest dreams to life. Whether you're an inventor, a visionary artist, or a curious explorer, Montana Syfy is your ultimate destination for pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Our state-of-the-art facilities and cutting-edge technology empower you to turn your imagination into reality. Join our community of innovators, where imagination knows no limits and collaboration fuels creativity. Connect with fellow enthusiasts, share your ideas, and embark on a journey of discovery together. Explore our merchandise marketplace, where you'll find a galaxy of sci-fi-inspired treasures crafted with precision and care. From custom-designed gadgets to lifelike robotic companions, the possibilities are endless. Experience the future today. Join us at Montana Syfy and let your imagination soar.